Hey guys, I know I haven't posted a video in like a year, I think. I don't know. But here is my MacBook, y'all. I just got it for my birthday. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna go onto Finder. Here we go. Applications. And then here's where all your applications are stored. So I need to delete the second Steam because I accidentally did that. So you can either right click. If I right click, I'll show you what happens. So nothing happens when I right click, like it never happens. So I just hold it in, or like tap on it first and then hold it in with your left or right thing, and then drag it to the trash. And then moving, there you go. It's in the trash now. So let's also say I don't want this. Probably don't even need this at all. So just trash. And that's how easy it is. So bye guys.